Hi, I'm Katie, your guide for an up-close look at early childhood themes. You know, I'm really excited about this fun and educational resource designed specifically for early learners. Let's get started now and discover what this product is all about. Early Childhood Themes is a series of kits, each of which provides a comprehensive curriculum based on a particular theme, such as weather, all about me, my community, animals, plants, and health and safety. These fun-to-explore kits present concepts in engaging ways that younger children understand by incorporating developmentally appropriate lessons in key early childhood content areas, including math, phonemic awareness, music, and more. As you know, early childhood students have unique needs, abilities, and interests, and addressing these needs is what Early Childhood Themes is all about. Let's take a look at the key components of Early Childhood Themes. Developed for students in grades pre-K through 2nd grade, each kit features original fiction and nonfiction books that center around a theme. 3 types of books are included with each kit: a wordless photo book, a traditional song or rhyme book, and a concept book. The wordless photo book is just that, a book without words. The detailed photographs in these books portray the topic vibrantly and engage and motivate young minds. More importantly, each wordless photo book is designed to help develop children's oral language as they discuss and create a story. The traditional song or rhyme book features a song or poem related to the theme of the kit. These whimsical books are designed to provide a beautifully illustrated and familiar way for children to access and read print. Students will enjoy hearing the audio recording of the book, which is provided on the audio CD included with each kit. The concept book is designed to introduce the thematic unit and provide pictorial support for the children's understanding of the theme concepts.